You guys check out this cart. I bought it off of Amazon, and it's just right to keep all my cleaning supplies together for my home. It has wheels. It moves around very easily. And like I said, instead of running up and down the hallway or looking for my cleaning supplies while I'm cleaning floors at my house or cleaning bathrooms, this thing is it. I love it. Why I didn't buy one earlier, I don't know, but it's just the right size to keep, again, all your products together. I use this for my trash cans. And then I add, my dog chewed this up, and I added these little hooks to just kind of hook my stuff on there. Of course, you cannot clean a house without a scrub daddy, but this little cart is amazing, and it's very compact, so you can stick it in your closet, your hall closet. And like I said, again, it's just a very good product and sturdy. And like I said, it moves with ease, even on carpet. But yeah, this is fantastic. You guys really should check it out. And because like I said, cleaning, it's a chore, but it can be fun. And when you have the right product, like all the pink stuff, I love pink, it makes it enjoyable. And again, it saves time from you running up and down the hallway looking for stuff. Give it a try.
Together, the one side is sharp. A flimsy mesh on there. What they don't tell you is each of the baskets goes smaller going up in size, so you have to like squeeze it together in order to put it together and get these to be able to tighten on and actually hold. The wheels on this, have the brake and the wheels will move, but this, you can see it will scratch the crap out of your floors. So just be aware that that is on there. I plan to bend that backwards. But the wheels are plastic. They're not the greatest. It's bent a little bit in places. But, I mean, for the price, it's okay. But just be aware that it's flimsy mesh and it can be sharp in places. And the wheels will scratch your floors.
Took it out the packet. It is bent on the edges. It's bent on the edges over here. It's crooked and bent on that side. This is bent.
Absolutely loving this 3-tiered cart. It's perfect for a baby nursery. It's perfect for putting baby stuff in any room. It's super versatile, and you could walk it around all over the house because it has wheels. We absolutely love this for our baby.
Ooh, oh my God.
Even for you. You are drunk. Go get yourself a banana bag, IB, put it in your arm, and then find